test ride of the Triumph. Keep the grip. All right. I can't see anything in this viewfinder, so I'm videoing blind. We're going to ride it around a while and come back. Then we're going to park it and put it on the side stand and let it sit overnight and see how much oil is in the primary case and whether or not there are any leaks. So, good, he's on his way. Ta-da, you're back, it's hot.
Yeah, I made it.
All right, put it on the side stand, we'll take it inside.
Okay. Oh.
All right, the bike is back from the test ride. It says it ran just fine, ducka ducka ducka, all happy duty. We're gonna let it sit here on the side stand overnight, see if we have some overt oil leaks or not. In the meantime, when we went out to start it, the battery was down, so I stuck the charger on it, got the battery up. And now I'm gonna let it sit here with the battery on it. And tomorrow I will put a battery tester on the battery, a load tester, to see how it tests out. In the meantime, I'm gonna go look at the invoices or status reports that I did on the bike in the last 2 times it's been here in the shop and see what the status of that battery is. It's a red battery, and I don't think I've ever bought a red battery, but then I don't remember what I had for lunch yesterday either, so I will check my records and find out whether or not that battery was installed by myself or if it came in with it. We'll find out. What the heck. Anyway, good test ride. Client's happy with the bike's performance. Now we're going to just look for oil leaks after having driven it a while.